The PowerMax RV Water Pump 4008-101A65 delivers a strong, consistent water stream that feels very close to a residential setup in most campers and recreational vehicles. Its on-demand diaphragm design with internal bypass keeps cycling to a minimum, so faucets and showers do not surge or sputter when multiple fixtures are used. In use, it runs notably quietly for a diaphragm pump, with smooth operation that reduces vibration and makes it much less intrusive during nighttime water use. The pump primes itself reliably even when mounted above the tank, and it can be installed in a variety of positions, which simplifies replacement in tight service bays. Built with thermal protection and the ability to run dry briefly without damage, it is forgiving of real-world camping situations, like low tanks or air in the lines. The included quick-attach fittings and strainer make installation and maintenance straightforward, helping keep the system clean while protecting the pump from debris.